Hello, my small wonders. Are you ready for a story? I'm Tracy, and I've got a silly book for you today. This one is called Keep Running, Gingerbread Man by Steve Smallman, illustrated by Neil Price. Shall we begin? Oh, look at this overweight cow. She looks like she's struggling just a little bit, doesn't she? Keep running, Gingerbread Man. And this is a story about being active. Once upon a time, there was a little old woman and a little old man. They liked watching TV, drinking tea, and eating gingerbread cookies. Their tummies look a little soft and squishy, don't they? One day they baked a gingerbread man just for a change. They gave it 2 raisins for eyes and candy for buttons. Then they popped it in the oven to bake. But a few minutes later they heard, "Let me out! Let me out!" The old woman opened the oven and out jumped the gingerbread man. Before she knew it, he was running out of the door. "Stop! We want to eat you!" she shouted. The little old man and the little old woman chased after the gingerbread man, but they couldn't keep up.
Run, run as fast as you can! You can't catch me! I'm the gingerbread man! Hee hee hee!
Sang the smug little cookie. Smug means he liked to show off a little bit. A cow was lying in the meadow, chewing some grass, when the gingerbread man ran by.
Stop! I want to eat you!
Shouted the cow. Look at the size of the cow's bottom. She chased after the gingerbread man, but she couldn't keep up.
Run, run as fast as you can! You can't catch me! I'm the gingerbread man! Hee hee hee!
Sang the irritating little snack. A horse was resting against a fence, having a drink, when the gingerbread man ran by.
Stop! I want to eat you!
Shouted the horse. He chased after the gingerbread man, but he couldn't keep up. He looks like a huge horse, doesn't he?
Run, run as fast as you can! You can't catch me! I'm the gingerbread man! Woohoo!
Sang the annoying little treat. A fox was doing jumping jacks in the meadow when along came the gingerbread man. Ooh, don't you think the fox looks quite fit? The fox chased after the gingerbread man and in no time caught up with him.
What are you running away from?
Asked the fox.
I'm running away from the little old man, the little old woman, the cow, and the horse,
said the gingerbread man.
They all want to eat me.
No, really? Said the fox. Oh, everybody looks so tired. I guess because they're very unfit.
Ooh, you must be very fast to keep up with me,
said the gingerbread man.
Well, I do try to keep fit,
the fox replied.
I walk everywhere, I play sports, and I keep active. I eat well too. That's great!
Puffed the gingerbread man as they raced toward a fast-flowing river.
Can you swim too?
Doesn't look like the gingerbread man can swim.
Of course I can swim,
said the fox.
Then could you carry me across the river?
Asked the gingerbread man.
I'll fall to pieces if I get soggy. No problem,
said the fox.
Climb onto my tail.
Oh, look how angry everyone looks on the riverbank. But as the fox swam across the river, his tail started to get closer to the water.
Quick,
said the fox.
climb onto my back. It will be safer there.
But the fox's back seemed to be getting closer to the water.
Quick,
said the fox.
jump onto my nose. It will be safer there.
So the gingerbread man jumped onto the fox's nose. What do you think the fox is planning to do? He looks hungry. He bounced, then somersaulted. That means he did a flip and soared through the air, landing on the riverbank. Then off he ran into the sunset.
Oh, he's a tricky little cookie, isn't he?
Wheezed the little old woman.
We'll never catch him now,
moaned the little old man.
Yes, you will,
said the fox.
You just need to get yourselves fit like me.
Could you help us? asked the cow and the horse.
Of course,
said the fox, and he did. Do you see them all doing jumping jacks? Look, even the chubby bunny is doing exercise. So the fox turned into their trainer. They all look like they need to lose a little bit of weight, don't you think? I think the gingerbread man is a little bit worried now that he'll have to run even faster to get away from them. Do you have a lot of energy like the gingerbread man and the fox? Do you like to run? I think it's a great skill to have, especially if something is chasing you and wants to eat you. That would be horrible. Sometimes if we have a problem, we might think it's easier just to run away from it. But you know what, my small wonders? If you always run away from your problems, it doesn't change anything. The problems will still be there when you come back. So sometimes it's good to just talk to someone if you have a problem. Maybe you can fix the problem, and then it won't be a problem anymore. So the next time you feel like running away, I hope it's just because you want to do some exercise. I hope you stay fit and healthy, my small wonders, and I'll see you for our next story. Bye-bye.